Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to delete an address from Amazon. We will also put our Amazon shop link in the description below. To start, open the website, then click on Sign In. Now, enter your email or mobile phone number. Then click on Continue. Next, enter your password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see an option for Account and Lists at the upper right part of the page. Click on Account and Lists. On this page, you will see an option for your addresses. Click on your addresses. Now, you will see the list of saved addresses. To proceed, click on the Remove option under the address you wish to delete. To confirm removal, click on Yes. And now the address has been removed. That's how you delete an address from Amazon. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.